Hey guys, new update. Today I have finished implementing the Beehive kiln, which is used to make bricks, and I should actually get some more branches. You need 5 branches to fire the kiln. It's the same amount as oven. And I have added the fill all option to these as well to make it easier. Now the kiln has its own inventory. I guess it doesn't register the fill all on the left side. Yeah, that's because I have enlarged the tooltip, but I haven't reworked the detection rectangle on it. Never mind, let's just ignore that. I'll have to fix that later. Now, if you fill the branches in, the graphics is a little bit different. You can see wood here. And now, if I were to light it, it has its own animation, fire and smoke. Now, this is a new image for clay. I can put the clay in the timer is lowered to like 10 seconds, so in 10 seconds we should see the result of the firing process. And I got bricks now, or brick. The inventory is filtering items now. Well, you can actually like add filter to any inventory, and this one has a filter that says only like unfired pottery items can be put in. I've created an interface that says exactly what I just said, unfired pottery, and only unfired pottery objects are gonna implement it, and that's how I filter what goes in. About the code, I guess I can show the code for the kiln. I'll kill the game. I've also been asked a question about the animal movement, which I'm not gonna go today, I guess. I'm still working on it, and right now there's like there are two separate implementations of how animals are like coordinated. One is the old one is the new one. So that's the reason why I don't want to show any of this code, because it's still a work in progress. But this one is pretty much finished, the kiln. Yeah, alright, never mind, there's my name on the top. I usually don't go by my real name. Alright, the kiln extends an object that kinda helps me build stuff. And all it does is that it enables me to build the object into the world. That's when the sign appears, and I can fill in items. I can open its tooltip, which is generated dynamically or on the fly right here. There's the fill all option, light option, build option, and it's all built on the most like basic or base object, which is the game object. Now, game object is pretty much anything in the game, and everything is built on it. Back to the kiln. It works the same way like the oven. It has 4 images, well, 3 images and animation. The basic 2 images are the one when the kiln isn't fired and it doesn't have wood in it. And I'm not sure actually what I should talk about. I'm kind of lost here. Alright, let's go through some fun stuff. There's the part where you lit or light the kiln, it goes through the whole inventory in it, and it resets their firing timers, which in consequence means that if you fire the kiln, let the pottery in, and pick it up before the kiln goes off, you can actually like put it into a different kiln and just finish the timer there. It doesn't offer any advantage to the player, so I'm gonna leave it like that. There's no need to reset the timer at that point, but it resets the timer when the object is in and the kiln goes off. Now this is just the like start and or turn on and turn off thingy, but this piece here actually takes care of the what's in between. Like you fire the kiln, it's already running, and you put in some pottery item, and this is the part where in each update it checks if it's lit. It's gonna go through the inventory, and it's gonna resolve either if the pottery object is done, it's gonna put the resulting object in instead of the original one, or if the object isn't, like the firing timer isn't started, it's gonna start the timer. From the perspective of the unfired pottery object, this is the clay. It's implementing the unfired pottery interface, and these are the methods that are taking care of the firing process. This one starts it, this one checks if it's done, and this is the reset button, and this is the result. Everywhere where I'm checking something, I'm trying to work with real time, so there are plenty of checks along the way. This one is for the amount of time the kiln stays lit, which is like 5 minutes. There's also another timer for the animation, which is right here. So if the kiln is lit, it's gonna draw the background image, which is a kiln with wood, and then it's gonna draw over that image the current animation frame, and it works like this. It starts with count 0 and goes up to the maximum, which is I think 14 for the kiln, and then when it hits the last frame, there's like a fallback frame, because when you fire the kiln, you can actually see that the smoke slowly goes up and then just repeats at certain frames, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. That's the fallback frame, which is the 8th frame. And then I draw the animation. If it's not lit, if the kiln isn't lit, I just display either the default image, which is empty kiln, or if the branches were filled in, I'm displaying the wood kiln image or whatever. I guess that's all I could talk about here. About the timers, I will definitely change them. Well, I can change them already right now. So for the clay to become bricks, I guess I could go for a minute or 2. Let's go for 2 minutes, just so I don't forget about it. Alright, well, I still got time. It's only 10 minutes, so I guess I could go through the animal direction, behavior, whatever thingy. Let's see. Wow, there's a lot of stuff I need to fix. Yeah, this big thingy, this method, takes care of the movement, and all it does, it checks for the next position of the animal. And the smarter parts, which are the behavior based, are fleeing and fighting ifs, I guess, if I can call that. Never mind. They work on the base that you actually know where the animal is going. You got all the points along the way, or you can actually create them, which is right here. That's where at first I calculate the point where the animal is gonna go, like the end point, and then I calculate the points in between. If that's like in place, I can easily return the next point in along the path. So it's much more sophisticated than the old system, which is right here. That's the fallback part. And in this original part, I was calculating the next step in like every method call, which isn't really effective, and it might be taxing along the way. Right now it's not really taxing, so I'm like a CPU taxing or FPS taxing, but I should really rework that as well. But that's something I wanna like fix or rework with pathfinding, and I'm not gonna go there right now. That's just for the future, so I'm leaving it like that. Also, there are few things that I'm doing. Oh yeah, the speed up thingy when you get close to the animal, like the rabbit, that's the fighting part. Oh, that's triggered on the behavior part right here. Trigger response, fleeing. Yeah, here. This is the speed up part, and it's used in the next point calculation system, I guess, which was right here. When I'm calculating the points in between 2 points, the starting point and the end point, I'm using the speed, which is the get movement step method, and the speed says like how far each step is gonna be from each other, if that makes any sense to you. Also, I'm pretty much cheating all the graphics I can by flipping the image of the animal, so I don't have to create graphics for like each right and left direction. And of course I'm cheating the the whole graphical part about going up and down and left, top right. Yeah, that's I like to work with code, not with pixels. Alright, it's 14 minutes long. I guess I'm gonna wrap this up. Hope this was an improvement to my videos. Let me know what you're interested in, and I'll try to cover it next time. About the stuff I'm gonna do next, I have no idea right now. There's plenty of stuff I want to do with metal. So right now we can make bricks. With bricks we can make improved or better furnaces, which can heat up the metal or the ore, like heat up it more, I guess. Heat it up more, yeah. And that should enable us to smelt stuff. So I guess the next step, logical step, will be smeltery. After that, blacksmithing and all the goodies. Alright, see you guys next time.